Hi guys, thank you all so much for joining me back here again on the 401 Files. It's an absolute pleasure, as I always say, to be joined by so many like-minded people from all around the world. And I just want to start this video off by first of all saying, wow. Like, the universe really does work in mysterious ways. And this is something that I guess a lot of you here watching this channel will be able to relate to. There'll be points in your life where you've been at the lowest of the low, and then all of a sudden a chance opportunity arises and things just do a complete 360. That's kind of the situation that I'm in right now. I've just been given an amazing opportunity and I've taken it with both hands. Hopefully in the next few days, I'll be able to shed a bit more light on this, and I'm super excited. And I just want to make sure that all of you here now watching this understand and feel this from the bottom of my heart, that it's all because of you guys. Because without you, without your belief, without your support here on the channel, none of this would be possible. So anyway, that's enough of that. This video, the video recording that I made a few days ago when I was out in the woods and I captured this really weird, guttural, ominous almost sound, has sparked a lot of interest. And there's a few of you people who are divided. On one side, we have people saying, oh, it was just a red deer during rutting season, you know, that's their mating call or their territorial call that they give. And then there's the other people that are saying, this is weird, like this is so weird, definitely something supernatural. And so what I've done in this video for you guys really quickly is put the two audios side by side for a better comparison. And I'm going to share right now with you people why I believe what I believe. First of all, I've heard red deer. I've been out in rutting season many times over the years. I've heard almost every single deer call there is to be made by a deer. I've heard rabbits fighting, I've heard territorial hedgehogs even, that sound horrendous. Vixens multiple times, and even barn owls that sound like a woman screaming to death. So there's not very many nature sounds that I'm not familiar with. However, this one really did baffle me. And it also caught the attention and imagination of you guys as well. My reason for not believing that it's a red deer is because the red deer call, if you listen, it's very throaty. It comes from the throat, the pitch rises and kind of tapers out towards the top end. It sounds very animalistic. If I was in the woods and I heard that, I wouldn't be freaked out. I would think that that is some kind of an animal. And that's my reasons for not thinking that it's a red deer. So why do I think that it's something else? Because the sound that I recorded, if you listen, it has some reverberation. Now, when I was there, I felt this in my chest. It's kind of like an echo that went right throughout the forest, and you can hear the difference. The red deer call has no reverberation, no echo, and the sound that I recorded was very ominous, creepy, weird, different. Whatever you want to call it, it wasn't animalistic in any kind of way. But you guys ultimately will be the judge, and hopefully this video will make you, or give you a better chance at deciphering what you think it is. Without further ado, guys, kick back, please relax, as always, and enjoy.